Hi, we're here at the house. I'm walking. Trying to go outside. We're gonna come to a house, lake house. Let's pull up the blind. Oh my gosh, she scared the crap out of me. She scared the crap out of me. I was pulling out these blinds, and she was right there, and I didn't see her. I got me screaming. That scared the crap out of me.
That was so funny.
I was looking for a light.
Get that on camera.
Yeah.
Let me see this. Oh my god.
That just got me screaming.
That was the funniest thing I've ever seen.
That scared the crap out of me.
So we just got to the lake, and I'm going to show you the view. We're downstairs. That's the house that we're staying at. Pretty big. Yeah, it picks up fine out here. That was so funny.
That scared the crap out of me. Let's go down to the dock.
We just waved to this girl over here. And hold on, let me zoom in. See if
She
you can
waved?
get her. Hi. She's over there, and she didn't wave back.
Oh, maybe she's on the
Bitch. Maybe she's
Go
on the
down to the
phone.
dock.
We're gonna go down to the dock.
Can I hold mine on camera?
Here, yeah.
Okay.
My phone stopped.
Here we go. We don't get service up here because it's in the middle of nowhere. If y'all know where Lake Gaston is, that's where we're at. Don't you want to go up the stairs?
I'm gonna get some ice cream first.
We're gonna go get some ice cream. No one's here yet, so it's kind of boring. How do you lock this door? Oh well. Okay, bye-bye.